So I love the fact that lavender grows wild out here in the street. I'm just in a beautiful neighborhood in Altadena, and I happened to stop by a lavender bush, and I was like, it's in abundance. There's so many things you can do with lavender, and I can't wait to show you. Now we have our lavender that we picked from the bush. All I'm gonna do is put it in a jar, and I'm gonna pour oil over it. I'm using olive oil, but you can use any oil that you want. Once you have your lavender in a jar, and after you pour the oil over it, I like to let mine sit anywhere from 1 to 2 weeks. This ensures that you get the maximum depth of flavor. I like to date and label everything. This is just my style. It's a great habit to get into, and it will keep you very organized.